Most Skool community owners are manually posting every single day. But what if I told you that you could schedule out an entire week's worth of content in under 2 minutes? This hidden feature inside of Skool lets you automate out your entire content calendar, so your community stays active even when you're sleeping, traveling, or working on other parts of your business. I'm about to show you exactly how to set it up and when the best time is to schedule out your posts. By the end of this video, you'll know how to schedule out your next week's worth of content and never have to worry about posting manually on Skool again. At first glance inside of your community, you might be looking and saying, Jamie, well, how do I go and schedule a post? That's not even an option. And you're right, but there is a way if you know where to look. This is something called Skool. Now, inside of Skool, you could go down here to the bottom and turn on the schedule button. When you do this, you're going to see something called schedule pop up. Now, I'm going to show you how I schedule out a piece of content. I go over to my Notion board. This was pulled from one of my coaching sessions that I hosted recently, and it pulled this as one of the gems from that call. And so I'm going to copy it, paste it in here. I just read through it. Okay, so as soon as your post is ready to go, all you've got to do is press this schedule button. So as soon as your post is ready to go, you need to select a category, press schedule. It's going to tell you the suggested time. I'm going to use it. This is actually for tomorrow. Perfect. I'm going to press schedule, and then boom, just like that, that post is scheduled out. Then I would go through and I would do another one. And just like that, now we have 2 posts scheduled, and typically I do 3 posts per week inside of my Skool community, but if you were going to do one every day, this is how you would do it. So you can go through and you can schedule, and guess what? On Monday morning when this goes out, I don't even have to think about it. I don't have to be present on Skool at all, and it's just going to go out without me even having to think twice about it. This is a great way for you to save yourself time. I know a lot of people who get onto Skool every day to make their posts, and it takes so much time away from their other needle movers in their business. So why do something every day that you could automate and focus on batching once per week, get it all done for the week ahead? That way, every day your focus and your energy and your attention can go through the things that actually need your time, not things that could be automated on the back end. This is a tool called Skool. It is something that we use for multiple things in our business. We do automated client onboarding. We do welcome sequences on the back end. We also tag new members, and we schedule out content. So there's a lot of things available on Skool. If you want me to do a full tutorial on exactly how we set up our Skool A to Z, just let me know in the comments down below this video, and I'll make sure to do a more thorough tutorial. But this is one of my favorite features, and if you're going to use Skool just for one thing, scheduling out content makes it worth it. And that's it. You now know how to successfully schedule out an entire week's worth of Skool content. It's going to go out automatically without you even having to think about it. So if you found that this video was helpful and you want more quick Skool tips and strategies just like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We're constantly sharing behind the scenes strategies for building and growing thriving Skool communities, so you definitely don't want to miss out on future tutorials. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.